English to Danish. How much does cost equals?
Hvad koster?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, glad you're here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more cool practice at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we master the shopper's superpower. How much does cost, which in Danish is.
Hvad koster?
Keep that phrase ready as we roam Danish markets together. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask any price confidently and understand the reply. You'll use
Hvad koster?
to ask a price, recognize price-related words like
Pris.
and
Rabat.
react if it's
Billig.
or.
Dyr.
You'll even signal you're ready
At betale.
to pay when the
Penge.
are right. Say it like a local. Let's get the rhythm into your mouth. Slow beat. Clap clap, pause, say.
Hvad koster?
Breakdown.
Hvad
What
koster?
costs. Then the item. For example, point at a mug and ask.
Hvad koster?
If you want to be extra clear about this, you can say.
Hvad koster den her?
Mini dialogue at the market. Try this short scene. Imagine you're on Stroge in Copenhagen. You, hi.
Hvad koster?
Single quote. Clerk.
Den koster 100 kroner.
Single quote. You, is there a discount?
Er der rabat?
Clerk.
Ja, der er 10% rabat.
Single quote. You, great, I'm ready to pay.
Jeg er klar til at betale.
Word toolbox. These words make shopping talk easy. Say them out loud. Price equals.
Pris.
Cheap equals.
Billig.
Expensive equals.
Dyr.
Money equals.
Penge.
To pay equals.
At betale.
Discount equals.
Rabat.
Rapid fire drills. Ready for speed practice? I cue the scene, you say the Danish. You point at a pastry. Say.
Hvad koster?
You hear a low number. React with the idea, oh, cheap, and remember the word.
Billig.
You hear a high number. Think, wow, expensive, and recall.
Dyr.
You decide to pay. Say.
Jeg vil gerne betale.
I'd like to pay. No cash left. Say.
Jeg har ikke penge.
I don't have money. Memory hooks. Lock it in with rhyme, gesture, and a tiny joke. Rhyme. Shopper roster.
Hvad koster?
Check the roster. Gesture. Point to the item, then rub fingers like coins while saying.
Hvad koster?
Humor. Your talking wallet yawns.
Hvad koster?
Not me, I'm empty. Culture tip. Denmark. Know the vibe to sound natural. In many Danish shops, prices are fixed, so asking
Hvad koster?
is normal, but haggling is rare, except at flea markets, where starting with
Hvad koster?
and then asking about
Rabat.
can be fine. Be polite, smile, and have your
Penge.
or card ready.
At betale.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll confirm. Q1. How do you ask the price in Danish? A.
Hvad koster?
Q2. The Danish word for price is A.
Pris.
Q3. Which word means cheap? A.
Billig.
Q4. Which word means expensive? A.
Dyr.
Q5. How do you say discount? A.
Rabat.
30-second challenge. Ready for a mini mission? Set a 30-second timer. Point at 3 things around you and ask each time.
Hvad koster?
Then say whether you hope it's
Billig.
or fear it's
Dyr.
Finish by pretending to pay.
Jeg vil gerne betale.
Bonus. Whisper, discount, in Danish.
Rabat.
Wrap up. Nice work today. You nailed. How much does cost?
Hvad koster?
Plus.
Pris. Billig. Dyr. Penge. At betale.
And.
Rabat.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, and for more lessons, quizzes, and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.